Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on how to open a PNC Bank account online. Step 1. Choose your account. PNC offers several types of accounts. Decide if you need a checking account for everyday spending, a savings account for long-term goals, or a virtual wallet, which combines both. You can compare the features and fees of each on the PNC website. Step 2. Gather your information. To apply online, you'll need to be at least 18 years old. Have your social security number, a valid U.S. government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport, and your current U.S. residential address ready. Step 3. Complete the application. Go to the PNC website and select the account you want. Click Apply Now to begin. The online application is a straightforward process where you'll enter your personal information and agree to the terms. Step 4. Fund your account. After your account is approved, you can fund it with an initial deposit. PNC allows you to do this by transferring money from an existing bank account. Some accounts have a minimum opening deposit, while others do not. Step 5. Enroll in online banking. Once your account is open, you can enroll in PNC online banking to manage your finances, pay bills, and set up mobile deposits. With that said, thank you for watching.